Today, we're diving into an awesome AI framework called CrewAI. It's all about AI teamwork.
So, what if you could build your own team of AI experts for pretty much any project?
Yep, a researcher, a writer, an analyst, you name it. A whole specialized team working for you.
Well, that's exactly the promise of CrewAI. It's designed to make this whole thing a reality.
Think of it like this. You're basically building a well-oiled crew where AI agents work together.
So how does it work? Well, it all comes down to 3 core building blocks. It's pretty simple. First up, you've got the agent. This is basically your individual AI worker, your specialist.
Every agent gets a clear role, a specific goal, and even a backstory to define its personality.
Okay, so you have your workers, now you got to give them something to do. That's the task.
A task just lays out the work, what the final result should look like, and who's doing it.
And the crew? Well, that's what brings it all together. It manages the whole operation.
The crew sets the process. Usually, one agent finishes, and its work gets passed to the next.
Okay, let's make this real. We're going to build a simple crew to write up a news report.
Setting up an agent is super straightforward. You just define its role, goal, and backstory like this.
So, our process is easy. The researcher finds the info, and then the analyst writes the report.
But wait a second. How does an agent actually search for brand new stuff on the internet?
The answer is awesome. Tools. You can give agents new skills to connect to the outside world. For instance, tools can let an agent Google something, read a web page, or even save a file.
Seriously? Tools give your agents actual superpowers. It makes them so much more useful for real work.
And the difference is huge. Without tools, they're a knowledge base. With them, they're active workers.
So, just to recap, you combine agents, tasks, and tools, and boom, you have an autonomous workforce.
This whole framework opens up so many possibilities. So the real question is, what will you build with it?